Hello students, welcome to online maths class. This is your maths teacher. I hope all of you are attending the online classes every day and doing homework for the same days. Make sure to keep your supplementary book, your NCERT book, as well as your home notebook, that is revision notebook and fair notebook with you all the time. So without further ado, let's get started. As you know, we are continuing chapter number 6, lines and angles, and we have studied two theorems, theorem number 7 and theorem number 8, which is given at SB 26 in your supplementary book. So first of all, let's have a short recap of these theorems. Theorem number 7, angle sum property of triangle. In this theorem, the statement is that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. किसी भी triangle में तीनों angles का total 180 degrees होता है. Next theorem, theorem 8. This is called exterior angle property of triangle. In this, the exterior angle of a triangle, which is made by extended one line of the triangle or one side of the triangle, is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. किसी भी triangle में अगर हम उसकी एक साइड को एक्सटेंड करते हैं और जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है वो ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स के इक्वल होगा. So we studied these two theorems, theorem number 7 and theorem number 8. Now we shall start practice question 10, which is based on these theorems. You have 5 seconds to open SB 27 practice question 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope all of you have opened the SB 27. Let's study solutions to practice question. Here is practice question 10.1 in front of you. In a triangle, the angles are in the ratio 2:4:3. Then the measure of smallest angle of the triangle is. बेटा आपके सामने दो मेथड्स दिए हुए हैं, मेथड नंबर 1 एंड मेथड नंबर 2. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बोथ द मेथड्स सो दैट whatever the method you find easy can proceed with the same. Method number 1, ratios of the angle is given to you 2:3:4. So first of all you have to do sum of ratio, that would be equal to 9. Now as we know, the smallest ratio would be the ratio of the smallest angle. Therefore the smallest angle is equal to whatever the ratio of the smallest angle is, you have to keep in the numerator. The total you have to keep in the denominator and you have to multiply with 180 degrees. Why you are multiplying with 180 degrees is due to the property of triangle that angles of the sum of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. So after solving this you will get 40 degree. Hence the smallest angle will be 40 degree and you will tick the B option. But here is the second method in front of you. That is, first of all you have to convert the ratio in the fixed number. You have to multiply all the numbers with another variable. So here we are multiplying 2, 4 and 3 with x, so that we can get the fixed value of angles, that is 2x, 4x and 3x. Now we know by angle sum property of triangle, the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Hence 2x plus 4x plus 3x equals to 180 degrees, and hence 9x is equals to 180 degrees. That is x equals to 20 degrees. Then smallest angle was 2x, so we have put the value of x in 2x and the smallest angle is 40 degree. Whatever the method you feel convenient and easy, you can follow that method. So pause the video and note down the solution of this question. Next question, practice question 10.2. In a triangle, if an exterior angle measures 105 degrees with two equal interior opposite angles, what is the value of any one of these angles? अगर आपके पास किसी triangle में एक exterior angle है जो कि 105 डिग्री का है और वो दोनों equal interior angles के equal है, that means these two angles which I have marked with red dots are equal, then what would be the value of any of these angles? अगर दोनों ही equal हैं तो बेटा दोनों की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पे कंसिडर कर ली है x, that means x plus x is equal to 105 degree by exterior angle property of triangle. Hence after solving the solution, x is equals to 52.5 degree and B option is correct. You can pause the video and note down the solution. Next is practice question 10.3. From each of the following statements, identify the type of triangle. You have to find out which type of triangle is getting formed. The statement is one angle is equal to the sum of other. तीनों एंगल्स में से जो एक एंगल है वो बाकी दोनों एंगल्स के टोटल के इक्वल है. अगर आप ट्रिक से फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो तो कर सकते हो, बट इट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट टू राइट ऑल द स्टेटमेंट्स. So here we have drawn a triangle PQR and we have mentioned three angles, angle P, angle R and angle Q. Now as we have taken P as the biggest angle, therefore angle P will be equal to angle sum of angle Q and angle R. But also according to the angle sum property of triangle, we know angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equals 180 degrees. So we are putting value of angle Q plus angle R, that is equal to angle P from this equation. Okay, that means 2 times angle P equals to 180 degree and angle P equals to 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degree. Now angle P is taken out 90 degree, hence it is a right angled triangle. अगर किसी triangle में आपके पास राइट एंगल बन जाता है तो वो ट्राइंगल कौन सी ट्राइंगल हो जाती है? राइट एंगल्ड ट्राइंगल. पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन. हियर इज इट्स पार्ट बी. द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल आर इन रेशो 5:3:7. तो बेटा अभी हमने ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन किया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 रेशो में दिया हुआ है, तो आप दोनों मेथड्स जो मैंने आपको सिखाए हैं उनमें से कोई भी मेथड लगा सकते हो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा मेथड यूज़ हुआ है? मेथड नंबर 1. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव डन द सम ऑफ द रेशोज, दैट इज़ 5 + 3 8, 8 + 7 equals 15. Now first angle was having ratio 5 and total is 15 and we have multiplied by 180. Hence after solving we have got first angle, that is 60 degree. Similarly angle second, 3 is the ratio of second angle and 15 is the total ratio multiplied by 180. One thing you keep in mind that denominator would be same always, that would be total of all the ratios, and by the number you are multiplying again will be same in each calculations. Hence you have find out all the three angles, that is 60 degree, 36 degree and 84 degrees. As all these angles are of different measure, so this triangle is a scalene triangle. स्केलीन ट्राइंगल वो होती है जिसकी सारी साइड्स अलग अलग होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव ड्रॉन हियर, ये छोटी है, ये थोड़ी उससे बड़ी है और ये सबसे बड़ी है. तीनों का जो मेजरमेंट है साइड्स का भी और एंगल्स का भी वो डिफरेंट होता है. दैट ट्राइंगल इज कॉल्ड स्केलीन ट्राइंगल. पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन 10.4. Is it possible to draw a triangle with its angles as 45 degrees, 64 degrees and 72 degrees? क्या हम ऐसी ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं जिसमें ये तीनों एंगल्स हों? तो हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, we'll just do total of all these angles, that is sum of angles equals to 181 degrees. But this is a contradiction. Contradiction means ये हमारी किसी भी previously proved statement के against है, right? But the sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. अब ये थ्योरम नंबर 7 जो हमने स्टडी किया है उसे कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रही है. कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट कर रही है मतलब उसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है, उसके स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है. उसके स्टेटमेंट में क्या था, द टोटल शुड बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्रीज, बट यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है, इट इज़ 181 डिग्रीज. Therefore, it is not possible to draw a triangle with the angles 45 degrees, 64 degrees and 72 degrees. Okay, pause the video and note down the solution. Here is B part given to you. We will also follow the same procedure as we have followed in part number A. So you can pause and note down the solution. Part number C. Is it possible to draw a triangle with two obtuse angles? Give reasons for your answer. First of all, you must know what is an obtuse angle. I think सबको पता होगा obtuse angle जो होता है वो 90 डिग्री से ग्रेटर होता है और 180 डिग्री से लेसर होता है. दैट मीन्स 91 डिग्री, 92 डिग्री, 93 डिग्री अप टू 179 डिग्रीज. सो बेटा आप कोई भी दो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल्स ले सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने ले लिया 91 डिग्रीज एंड 91 डिग्रीज, दोनों ही सेम ले लिए. सो देयर टोटल इज इक्वल्स टू 182 डिग्रीज. अब इन दोनों का टोटल, दो एंगल्स का ही टोटल 182 डिग्रीज आ गया, तो तीसरा एंगल कितना होगा ट्राइंगल में. दैट मीन्स ट्राइंगल नहीं बन सकती क्योंकि ये 180 को क्रॉस कर गए हैं. ओके, so it is written here the measure of an obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, hence the measure of two obtuse angles will be more than 180 degrees, but the sum of angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore it is not possible to draw a triangle with two obtuse angles. बेटा आप इस क्वेश्चन को एग्जाम्पल लेके भी प्रूव कर सकते हो, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको समझाया 91 डिग्री वाली एग्जाम्पल लेके. Next is practice question 10.4. Is it possible to draw a triangle with all the angles measuring less than 60 degree? अगर हम तीनों एंगल्स को ही 60 से कम ले लेते हैं, क्या हम ट्राइंगल को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? इसकी भी एग्जांपल लेके देख लेते हैं. 60 से सबसे कम वाला 59 ही ले लेते हैं. 59, 59 एंड 59. अगर सारे एंगल्स 59 डिग्रीज के हम ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इसका टोटल करेंगे. 9 + 9 + 9 दैट इज़ 27. Then 2 + 5 7 + 5 12 + 5 17. It is 177 degrees. That means हम ये ट्राइंगल नहीं ड्रॉ कर सकते बिकॉज ये 180 डिग्रीज से लेस है. ओके, it is written here if all the angles measure less than 60 degree then the total measure of angles of a triangle would be less than 180 degrees, but the total measure should be equal to 180 degree, which is a contradiction. Therefore it is not possible to draw a triangle with all the angles measuring less than 60 degrees. So you can pause the video and note down the solution. Dear students, today we shall do only these 4 questions: 10.1, 10.2, 10.3 and 10.4, which are given at SB 27. So your today's homework is you have to try from 10.5 to 10.10 questions, 10.5 to 10.10, and you have to try these questions in a rough notebook. You can check their solutions the following day. That's all for today. Happy learning.